Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out something that's turning heads in the world of compact travel. The 2025 Micro Camper Van. This isn't just a van, it's a mobile, tiny home designed for the modern adventurer. Just look at this sleek, space-age design. Minimalist curves, a seamless matte gray finish, and panoramic glass all around. This thing looks like it rolled straight out of a design studio in the future. Now, the real magic happens when you step inside. This van packs an entire living space into a tiny footprint. You've got a full bed setup, ambient lighting, sleek shelving, and integrated cabinetry. It's basically a Scandinavian-style studio on wheels. It's fully electric, meaning zero emissions and a whisper quiet. Ride perfect for escaping the city or just vibing with nature without harming it. And because it's so compact, you can park it almost anywhere, from mountain roads to city streets. Storage-wise, it's surprisingly clever. Every nook and cranny is optimized. Fold-away features, hidden drawers, and modular shelving give you a full-functioning micro-home in this tight footprint. Now let's talk range and tech. We're expecting a 200-mile range on a single charge, and features like solar assist, app-based climate control, and smart home-style integrations that let you control lights, locks, and even the kitchenette from your phone. Whether you're a digital nomad, weekend explorer, or just someone who loves stylish mobility, this micro-camper brings a whole new meaning to the van life movement. So, what do you think? Would you live in one of these? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button if you're into off-grid living with a modern twist. And don't forget to subscribe for more future-forward vehicle reviews.